Dallas and Ash try to remove the hugger from Kane by using tongs to dislodge one of the creature's digitals. The facehugger merely tightens its grip on Kane's neck, seemingly threatening strangulation, and although we don't see it, Dallas tells Ash that it's tearing the skin. The hugger also makes a guttural growling sound as Ash prods. A bioscan reveals the hugger has a tube down Kane's throat, which Ash surmises is feeding him oxygen. The next attempt to remove the creature by lasering off one of the digitals results in a minor splash of what is widely considered to be the creature's acid blood, corroding a hole through 2 decks of the ship. The cut appears to seal almost instantaneously, with little, if any, burning the gauze the science officer applies to the wound. There is also a minimal amount of smoke, usually associated with acids of a low pH. However, there were rather acrid fumes, as evidenced by Dallas recoiling from the smell when discovering the acid corrosion on B deck. Dallas says the only thing he's seen similar to the blood is molecular acid, if it is indeed blood and not some sort of defense mechanism unrelated to the creature's circulatory system. Another thing to look at here is how the facehugger was able to sustain Kane throughout the trip back to the Nostromo. Not only is it breathing for him in an atmosphere that is made up predominantly of methane, carbon dioxide and inert nitrogen, it's also protecting him from the deep cold Ash mentions when doing the atmospheric check. Kane shows no signs of hypothermia, so the hugger is not only breathing for him, but regulating his body temperature. Perhaps it somehow converts the gases in the air at an atomic level into something that the host is able to breathe. Alternatively, it somehow changes the host's internal chemistry enough to make the ambient atmosphere breathable. Another, perhaps simpler theory is that it managed to form a seal of some sort when it melted through Kane's helmet and his suit maintained a stable temperature.